Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually sell on Amazon. Now, we all know for a fact that Amazon is one of the biggest platforms right now that gives you a chance to get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about and break away from the 9-to-5 rat race. Now, there are so many products that are available and there are so many people that are selling on Amazon. So how can you actually differentiate? And that is the reason why we're making these videos, to give you an opportunity to find the right products and obviously give you a full understanding step by step of what you need to do to ensure that you can differentiate yourself in the market and become a top seller on Amazon. So if you have not watched our videos, guys, go ahead and watch the videos on the channel. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're making for you. So once you scroll down and check all the amazing products that are available, the one thing that is really going to stand out is the fact that on Amazon, every single niche is available. And one of the major things that you have to remember whenever you're selling on Amazon is to make sure that you have a diverse portfolio, which literally means that you have to look at the age groups, you have to look at the ranges that are available, and based on the genders, you'll be providing an individual a chance to buy something from your shop on Amazon. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to find products in every single niche to distinguish themselves and provide a diverse portfolio to your customers. Now, once you have done it, you can always head over to the 3 steps to discover the product ideas. And that is the reason why I personally love Amazon, because Amazon gives you a chance to select the best sellers. And the first step that you have to do, you have to dig into the bestseller list and test the waters with the Amazon bestsellers list to see if your idea has potential. Now, you might think that this particular product is going to sell massively in the market, but when you head over to the Amazon bestseller, that product is not going to be there. And the reason for that is that Amazon has a very detailed and analytic approach, and it analyzes all these social media handles and what is happening in the market. And based on all that principle, it comes up with the bestsellers to ensure that there is an interest in the audience, there's an interest in the world, there's an interest in the market for that particular product. And that is the way it comes up with the Amazon bestsellers. Now, after you've done it, you got to explore the product categories and subcategories, and you have to dive deep into the bestseller categories to identify and come up with products that have the opportunities and the potential to be massive. And that is the reason why I always recommend all my viewers to make sure that they do research. Research is the cornerstone for success. And obviously, if you do extensive research, either be primary research or secondary research, you'll be able to find the right products to sell on Amazon to your audience. Now, obviously, the most powerful element that you have over here is just social media, and you can unlock selling opportunities with a variety of Amazon programs, which we're going to talk about obviously down the line. And the step 2, which I recommend, guys, is to zero on the products that you want to specialize in and keep an eye on the movers and shakers, because it is updated hourly and the list shows the biggest gainers in the sales rank over the last 24 hours. And you can check out the categories from the top 100 trending product performers, how much sales rank has increased, previous ranking for products, and number of reviews and stars, and the pricing range. And once you've done all of that, you will find ways to put your own spin on trending products. And guys, the thing that you got to keep in mind whenever you go on Amazon is understanding your customer. And once you understand your customer, that is the only time you'll be able to convert that customer into a loyal returning customers on your shop on Amazon. Now, once you've done all of that, you can always head over to the bestsellers. Now, these are the best sellers on Amazon right now. Now, you can clearly see these are elements, these are products that people want to buy, people are interested in buying, and people are advertising and promoting. And this is my tip, guys, and lock this down and write it down and remember it and never forget it. Always select products that people are promoting already on the social media. It will save you a fortune from advertising and promoting, because you will ride the wave of the promotion yourself and make use of the individuals that are promoting products and use that promotion for your favor and sell the product that already is in the market that is being promoted. Either it could be the best sellers in kitchen and dining, or the best sellers in automotive, or the best sellers in beauty and personal care. Everything works. It really comes down to the fact that what product is on your shop and how you actually display that product. How do you respond back to your customer? How do you communicate with your customers? How quickly you provide the product to your customers? What price range you give to your customers? And once you combine all those elements together, you come up with a strategy that is effective, that is scalable and successful at the same time. And that is the reason why you can make a lot of money on Amazon and turn your life around and get that financial freedom that you always been dreaming about. And once you've selected the best seller, you can go ahead over to how to sell on Amazon. Now, before you start selling, you got to choose a selling plan. With the individual plan, you got to pay 0.99 cents every time you sell an item, but the professional plan costs $39.99 per month. And no matter how many items you sell, Amazon will collect a referral fee on each sale. Now, consider your selling strategy, guys, which is essential. And that is the reason why we make these videos, to give you guys a chance to think about, to discuss, to analyze, to comprehend what kind of strategy that you want, what kind of strategy you're building, what kind of Amazon store do you need, what kind of future it holds, and how you're going to go about doing it. Every single element needs to be written down, and the perfect launch in the 5-step for the first 90 days. The first thing obviously you got to do is create an Amazon sellers account. But before you sign up, make sure you have these things: a business email address or an Amazon customer account, an internationally chargeable credit card, a government ID, tax information, a phone number, a bank account where Amazon can send your proceeds from your sales. And if you don't have any one of these, go back to the drawing board, guys, because you gotta have these. These are the essentials that you gotta work on to ensure that you will be able to sell on Amazon. Once you've done it, you can go and use your mobile, because the best thing that is about Amazon, it's available on the App Store. It's also available on Google Play, and you can use the Amazon Seller app to track sales, fulfill orders, find products to sell, respond to customer questions, capture, edit professionally quality product photos, and create listing all from your phone. And you can add your products. There's so many categories that are available that you can select from. And obviously, like I mentioned before at the start of this video, guys, you got to make sure that your portfolio is diversified to ensure that there are different elements available for your audience. You might have a person that is coming from Spain. You might have a person that's coming from the US. You might get a person coming from the UK or Australia or New Zealand or Dubai or Japan or Korea or even China. So you got to make sure you got products that are available for everyone across the globe. And that, my friend, is the beauty of Amazon, because you can cater for the global market and always make sure that you target individuals extensively. Then you got your product listing details, which is crucial because you got to have a product ID. You got to make sure that you identify the product properly. You got to make sure that anyone searches for the product, it gets the product that they want to buy, and it's available on your store. Once you've done all of that, then you can start attracting customers. And the beauty of this element over here, that once your products go live on the Amazon store, there are a number of things that you can do to attract customers. And the Amazon flywheel describes the method for driving growth. You gotta love Amazon because it gives you what you need. It gives you all the information that is required to ensure that you can sell instantly anything and everything from the comfort of your home and become an independent Amazon seller and get the financial freedom that you always craved. And obviously, you can provide fast shipping, you can advertise for offers, you can set competitive prices, and obviously after your first sale, the most important thing that happens is that you get a customer review. You gotta make sure that you always focus on the customer. Like the saying goes, the customer is always right. And you gotta make sure that the customer that buys from your store returns back to your stores and buys again and refers your product to friends and family. Now, the thing that really makes Amazon stand out is their absolutely brilliant FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon, and you get free shipping, returns, and so much more. And they help you, they guide you, they give you the complete step-by-step methodology by sending an FBA, by creating product listing, by preparing the products, by shipping the products to Amazon. Amazon, and then you let Amazon do its magic. And that is the beauty of Amazon, guys, because the FBA benefits are endless. You can get so many things from FBA, and you can let FBA take care of everything because Amazon knows what it is doing. So guys, if you don't have an Amazon account, sign up right now. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, even on your Twitter, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to sell on Amazon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.